count this chocolate. Do not eat.
Stop!
No, I will never forget this moment.
How am I supposed to buy?
You go to the supermarket and buy chocolate. So the neighbor gave this chocolate. I'm not gonna give you. Do not eat this. Today is white day. You didn't even give me a chocolate and ate. I went to the Kinsho and bought very expensive chocolate for you and Kuya. And ate made a chocolate for you and Kuya also. And then today is white day. You didn't even give us. You're just ignoring me.
Because you're recording.
Ay, ma.
Narinig nyo guys, bilang nagtadalo si Haru. Kasi bumili ng chocolate sa 7-Eleven. O, diba? Dito kasi sa Japan, kailangan pag nagbinigyan ka ng babae, i-return mo. So, tradisyon na yun. Pangit naman kasi na tumatanggap ka lang, diba? So, ayun, hindi siya nakatiis kasi nga nagagalit ako, pinaparinggan ko. Nawalan bigla kasi pumunta pala ng 7-Eleven. May chocolate na. Narinig nyo guys,